Welcome back to Algo Traders Program ATP from MarketSecrets. This is episode 17 of the series, and in this episode we are going to talk about Algo Health Monitoring Bot and Emergency Alerts. So let's get into today's session. Let's say we have set up our bot generated by the ATP and it started trading on daily basis. It is all working fine today, but after a week or a month, on one fine day, it might break down. For example, bot took entry on a trade today, but just before your exit window, for example, that is 2:30 p.m. that you have configured in your controller, just before this exit window of 2:30 p.m. is reached, your internet connection goes down. Just consider this for an example. In such cases, the trading bot cannot exit the trade forcefully because it basically needs internet connection to send commands to your broker's trading API to square off any open positions. So 2:30 p.m. is our forced square off window, and just before that window your trading bot goes down because your internet connection went out. So in this case, basically your bot cannot talk to your broker's trading API, and it won't be able to send out signals to square off any open positions that you have. So without internet connection, the bot won't be able to square off the open positions by itself. So if it is left as such till end of play, we might be carrying naked option selling positions overnight, which is extremely dangerous. There is no way this is allowed. There is no way this is allowed, and I'm repeating, there is no way this is allowed. You're not allowed to carry any option selling positions overnight. Not at all. Not even for a single day. Even if you are confident 1,000 times or 1,000% or 200% or 300% times you are confident, doesn't matter. You're not allowed to carry any naked option selling positions overnight. If you want to carry any selling positions, it should be with hedging, and that is not in scope for this particular trading. So in simple, you are not allowed to take any positions overnight. There is no way this is allowed. So I'm repeating this multiple times just to be sure. So now the problem is your internet is down. So I'm coming back to the scenario that we talked about earlier. Your internet is down, and how will we know about it? I mean, how will we know it's down? I mean, it might be down and your bot is not able to talk to your trading API. There's no way it can talk to you as well. So how will we know your trading bot is down? How will we know whether something is wrong? Only if we get to know that, we can pitch in and manually square off these positions, right? I mean, the bot is down because internet is down, but you need to be notified somehow, right? Only if that happens, and only in that case we'll be able to pitch in and square up those positions manually. So we basically need someone to monitor health of our trading bot and notify us if it is not doing its job for any reason. It might be internet connection or it might be some other issue, but if that bot is not doing its job for any reason, that is where our health monitoring bot comes in. So you might have seen this earlier in the trading controller lesson. This is what the health monitoring bot will do. It will monitor the health status of our trading bot, and it needs to ensure that it is in green. So our health monitoring bot will observe trading bot's health, and if it sees any issues with it, it will notify us immediately. This bot is hosted separately and remotely for free, and that doesn't need any additional support or any additional base to function. Its only job is to ensure that trading bot's health remains in green status. If it doesn't, it will alert us. So now, where will this alerts be triggered? We can set up email alerts or telegram alerts or both based on our convenience. So the next time if your trading bot is down due to lag of internet, you'll immediately get an update on an email or telegram, and you can check what went wrong, or you can pitch in and manually square up the trades through your mobile applications itself. This bot will reduce unnecessary headaches and tensions, and it's more like, what if something goes wrong? So this will act as a what if something goes wrong plan, because its only job, that is this health monitoring bot's only job, is to inform us as and when something is broken, as and when the trading bot's health is not in green. So that covers our topic for today. So hope you understand the importance of the health monitoring bot and the emergency alerts being triggered by this particular bot. So with that note, we are closing today's session. So we have a separate demo Telegram channel for everyone who is interested in Algo Traders program. This is where our Algo trades and results are published on a daily basis, and this is where we share all the updates regarding ATP. Link to this channel is available in the description section of this video. Please join if you are interested. Also, we are providing real-time live feed of our Algo trades on a daily basis in our YouTube channel. So this is more like proof of concepts, where we are showing what we are doing on a daily basis. If you are interested, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get invitation for our live sessions. Stay tuned for this exciting journey.